Hello, girls. How are you? Today we are going to work in page number 8 of our phonics book. Okay, open your book in page number 8 and we're going to work with the letter sound T, 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 train, T, T, Tom, T, T, tiger. Okay, let's start. Okay, here on the top of your page, you're going to write with your pencil the letter sound T, 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 the uppercase and the lowercase, like this. Pay attention. Now the lowercase T. Very good. Okay, now here we are going to practice the letter sound T. Okay, who is him? Do you remember? He is Tom. T, t, Tom. And here it's a missing letter. The first letter of the name Tom. We're going to write it, okay? Like this. T, t, Tom. Very good. Okay, now we're going to practice the uppercase T, like this. Down. This. And now you continue and complete the row, okay? And the lowercase T, like this. This is the lowercase. Excellent. Now you complete the row. Excellent, girls. Now here you have to say the sound and write the missing letter. Here is Tom and Sal. Tom and Sal. We have to write the first letter, the beginning sound, okay? Like this. Uppercase T. Tom and Sal. Excellent. Okay, here, what's this? This is a toy box. This is Tom's toy box. And here we have to write an uppercase T and a lowercase T. Very good. Now says Tom's toy box. Very good. Oh, look here. This is a t-shirt. T-shirt. And we have to write the beginning letter. An uppercase T. T-shirt. Very good. And look, what's this? Let's count all these tigers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tigers. Okay. The uppercase T and the lowercase T. 10 tigers. Excellent job. And now, my favorite part of this page, you have to paste the stickers. Oh, here is Tom with his tiger and his toy box. Toy box. We have to put all the toys in the box. Okay? Paste the stickers in the box. Okay. The tent in the box. Tennis racket. Tennis racket in the box. The telephone. Telephone in the box. Look, this teddy bears, beautiful teddy bears here. And the letter T, we can paste it wherever you want, like here. Okay, ready. Excellent work, girls. Excellent job. Now, kisses for you. Bye-bye.